Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of December. So guys, we've been having some ups and downs in the market, obviously. We had our first, Omicron, variant, new Rona case in the United States. It happened, I believe, in California, and that kind of caused the markets to sell off a little bit throughout Wednesday, and now we're going into Thursday. We're going to see what happens as well. Obviously, the stock market had a pretty much same pattern where the stock market was pretty much booming on Wednesday, and then after this news, the market started to sell off throughout the rest of Wednesday, going into Thursday morning. Now here we see the market is down about almost 2% here just in the past 24 hours. Our top gainer right here in the past 24 hours is going to be Bioeconomy, which is up about 230% here, as we can see. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 37.4 billion. Ethereum coming at the number 2 spot at 27.1 billion. Bitcoin's down 1%. Meanwhile, Ethereum is down about 4.5%. So Ethereum is making a huge pullback down here. But you got to remember that Ethereum has been running here for the past few days. So, this pullback is actually not as crazy as you would think. Then we have down here some other altcoins. It's all over the place, guys. There's coins that are up or down 1% or 2%. There's also coins that are up, 5 or 10%, down to 5 or 10%. We're going to be seeing things all over the place. Solana here in the green. We see Polkadot red. Dogecoin's down back into the low 20s again. Avalanche is down 5%. Terra, also known as Luna, is up over 12%. Polygon is up over 13%, and we talked about Polygon in yesterday's video. So if you missed yesterday's video, go check that out as well. Uniswap's up about 1% or so. We have some more red down here. Decentraland and a lot of the metaverse coins are down in the red right now, down about 4.5%. And we see some other ones that are down as well. So, all right, guys, so before we get into this, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you looking at right now. Now let's get into this content. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Avalanche. So AVAX, this one is currently down about 5.5%, almost 6% here in the past 24 hours. We were at highs of about 126 at one point, and now we're making a slight pullback here. In the past week, we're up about almost 2%, and in the past month, we're up over 80%, guys, hitting highs at one point here at over $147. So we made about a $30 pullback here from the all-time high area. In the past year or so, we're up over 3,043%. Now, this one last December was trading at $3.60. We hit our first high here in February at around 50 bucks or so. Pulled back down with the market all the way to under $10 here in July, and then from that $10 range to over $140 here, almost $150. That is about about a 1,300% gain. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Avalanche down here at $10 and sold up here close to $1,400, you would have made about $13,000 profit, which would be insane to get in a matter of 2 or 3 months. A return of 1,300% is insane to think about, but especially when you think about it in 2 months. So market cap currently at 26.2 billion. We see volume is down a little bit here, 31% down at 1.3 billion. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 8 days, 73% buy activity, 27% sell activity on Avalanche. Avalanche, obviously, they described itself as an open, programmable, smart contract platform for decentralized applications. Now, AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So, definitely an interesting coin, and with this $30 pullback or so, we're going to be watching it very closely. If we can get it under $100, that would be a really, really nice price, in my opinion, to grab some more coins on this one. So we're going to be watching Avalanche very, very closely, guys. Now, before we get into the second altcoin, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles. This is something that we do on this channel, guys. We take a look at the rest of the market in the past week or so, and to see, which gainers here are still green. So even with this pullback that we saw today, we see Request here, which is up over 192%. So it did make a little bit of a pullback down, but it's still up huge. We have obviously here Mobox, so this one's up over 45%. We have Gitcoin, which is up over 68%. Luna here, also known as Terra, is up over 64%, making a massive run in the past week or so. And then obviously we have some red as well here, 30-40% in the red as well. So definitely all over the place, guys. Everything is, either up or down a little bit. We're seeing a lot of movement here in the crypto market as well as the stock market. As we can see here, Helium, one of the coins we've talked about in recent times. In the past week, it's down about 16% or so. So definitely making some pullbacks and some explosions, guys. You just have to go out there and find them. So that's how the market is performing. Now, the second altcoin on this list is going to be Polkadot DOT. So DOT here, it is down about 6.5% at the moment. It is trading at $35.50. It was trading at around $38, $39 here, just about 24 hours ago. In the past week, we're down about 7.5%. Past month, 29%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 549%. So this one last December was trading at $5. We hit highs here in February at $40, pull back down, hit new highs, pull back down, and then hit new highs again. And then the rest of the market kind of sold off. We went down to under $11 at that point. And then from the $11 area all the way to highs of 55. So about a 400% upside that we saw from the low to the high. So $1,000 invested would give you about $4,000 in profit in a matter of 2 or 3 months on this, coin right here. Market cap currently is going to be at 35 billion. We see volume is down about 20% lower than usual at 1.3 billion. Typical hold time, this one's going to be 70%. Typical hold time is going to be 26 days. Trading activity is going to be 70% buy activity and 30% sell activity. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. Now, by uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking, to secure the network, or to connect new chains. Now, obviously, Polkadot is definitely an interesting coin that we've been talking about on this channel for a very, very long time, and we believe that Polkadot could definitely continue to grow. It is now ranked the number 7 coin, and it continues to climb that, ladder, I guess you could say, and we'll see where it's going to end up in the next few years. I think that Polkadot could definitely be a coin that's going to be trading at, 2 or 3x higher than it is right now in the next 10 to 15 years. So we'll be watching Polkadot very, very closely as well. Then we have the third altcoin, guys, Solana, SOL. One of the most popular coins on this channel as well. One of the greener coins, especially for NFT world. Solana is a huge player, obviously. We love Solana on this channel. 4.5% here, higher in the past 24 hours. Trading at 227, hitting highs at one point at 236. In the past week, we're up 10%. In the past month, we're up 11%, hitting highs of about 260. So from 260, we pulled back down to about 180 or so about an $80 drop right there, or about a 30% drop, and now we're seeing a lot of upside. So that was a big buying opportunity, obviously a dip buying opportunity that people saw and took advantage of. Currently, in the past year, this one is up over 10,000%, as it was trading at $2 or so last December, and we just saw it continue to go higher and higher, especially here since August. Pretty much since August, we've been seeing a lot of altcoins run, especially Solana. We saw the first pop here was in May and April, when we saw a lot of green coins, or greener alternative energy coins get popped on higher. But now in the past 2 or 3 months, we definitely saw it even pop even higher. 69.1 billion market cap, 4 billion in volume, 33% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 22 days, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake, consensus, and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization, which is beautiful. Obviously, the faster those transactions go, the better it is. And obviously, we don't like gas fees, so that is definitely something we want to get away with, or get away from. And that's why a lot of people are moving away from Ethereum and trying to find alternatives like Solana. So Solana is very popular, especially in the NFT world. So we're going to be watching Solana as well as it continues to grow. It is now ranked the number 4 coin, right behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Solana is right there. Obviously, it passed Cardano, because Cardano continues to fall back, lower and lower in the recent times. It lost about 40% of its market cap. So Solana is now ranked the number 4 coin, and Binance Coin better watch out, because it's coming up right behind it, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins we're going to be watching here in the month of December this week. Now, let's take a look at these meme guys and different coins on what's going on. Doge, obviously, down about 5%. Shiba Inu is down about 6% as well. So all those gains that Shiba Inu gained in the past 48 hours, it's pretty much losing all those gains once again. It's getting wiped out. So we saw it down here at 0.000039. Hit highs up here of about what? 0.000055, and then pull back down all the way pretty much to where it was before all of this started. So big pullback here on Shiba, coming back to where it belongs. Dogecoin, same type of situation. Doge keeps on pulling back lower and lower, still being able to stay above this 20 cents area. If we can get into the teens, this one could fall even harder. So we're going to be watching Dogecoin very, very closely. So then we have Bitcoin here hitting highs of 59,000. Everything was going well. Then we heard about the first case in California, and now we see the whole market sold off in the crypto market and stock market. Now we're trading at 56,000, almost 57,000. In the past week, we're literally trading flat. We're just going up and down. It's pretty much last year, if you guys remember, in the stock market, we were calling the stock market a kangaroo market, where the market would literally go up one day, down the next day, up one day, down the next day. That's literally what's going on right now. As you guys can see, we literally for the past week, we've been bouncing back and forth in this same pattern. In the past month, we're down 7%. Past year, we're up over 195%. 1.1 trillion market cap, 33% of the crypto market space. Volume is pretty much flat, 70% buy activity and 30% sell activity on Bitcoin. Then we have obviously here Ethereum. So Ethereum, as we can see here, hit highs of about almost 4,800 here going on Wednesday. So we were almost at all-time highs. And then obviously everything had to get ruined by that, Rona case in California. And obviously everything fell back down about 4.5%. In the past week, we're still up about 6%. So we are trading a little bit better. Obviously, if none of this, FUD was going on, we'd be trading even higher. In the past month, we're up 4.5%. Past year, 657%, making some decent gains. 536.3 billion market cap, 16% of the crypto market space. Volume is pretty much flat, 66% buy activity, 34% sell activity. We believe that Ethereum will continue to grow, obviously. And if it wasn't for all these, hiccups and hurdles happening right now, I believe that, by the end of 2021, we could have seen over $5,000 per coin on Ethereum. But with all this, news coming out that's pulling, the markets down, we might not see that area for a little bit longer. But we're going to be keeping a very close eye on it, obviously, to see what's going to happen, guys. So, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.